How to get referral code in GoTyme. So to obtain a GoTyme referral code, you will need to be a GoTyme bank partner, because GoTyme partners are assigned a unique referral code through a designated GoTyme marketing representative via email according to GoTyme Bank. So here's a more detailed explanation. So the first step is to become a GoTyme partner. This involves you in a selection process by GoTyme. Then, once you're selected, you will receive your unique referral code from a GoTyme representative via email. So make sure you check your emails in case you already made some process on the GoTyme itself in order to get a referral code. Now, from lastly, you can now share the code. You can then share your unique referral code with your friends who are looking to open a GoTyme bank account. And here are some important notes. By sharing or using the referral code, both the GoTyme partner and the friend agree to the terms and conditions of the referral program. And friends who use the referral code need to open a GoTyme bank account and make a qualifying transaction to receive the rewards from GoTyme Bank. And that's how you can basically get a referral code in GoTyme.